Want to quickly just jump in and talk about lighting options for indoor tomato growing. So we saw in the first video that adjustable style of lamp, that's great. It will accommodate up to something that's about 12 inches tall. This is another option. This is a grow light, and it's really just a lamp that clamps, and you can clamp it anywhere, which makes it really convenient, especially for indoors. You know, you could clamp it to anything, and again, it helps so that you can raise and lower and keep the light close, but you also get a better cast. So this might be like the light that I move to when that plant is bigger. This just takes a regular grow bulb, and the beauty of this type of bulb, I'll shut it off so I'm not blasting your eyes, is that this doesn't actually have to go in a necessarily quote-unquote grow light fixture. This could go in any lamp indoors. In another room for some of my plants, I have one of these bulbs just in a regular stand-up lamp. So that's another option, especially if you're growing a larger size tomato. So, you know, you can also make grow lights with just a workshop light. If you are doing like a fluorescent, you just need the full spectrum of light. This bulb is the full spectrum of light, but if I were doing that in a shop light, I would use a cool and a warm bulb, one on each side, and that would give me the full spectrum. Or you could go ahead and buy dedicated grow light bulbs that are full spectrum. They just tend to be a little more expensive. So if you want a good cheap DIY option, the workshop lights with the two different bulbs are good options. So there you have it. Lighting for your tomatoes does not have to be expensive or complicated. There are a lot of options out there. You just need to make sure that those plants are comfortably warm. If you're comfortable, they're probably comfortable, and that they have that full spectrum of light their whole life.